Alright, hello kindergarten. This is page 99 in your math workbook. So we're going to look at the counters, and the counters for this page are the blue circles. And if we were in class together, we'd have blue little chips. So we're going to be looking at the counters, and then we're going to write the missing numbers. So we're going to do the first one together. And then I want you to do 2 and 3 on your own. And when you are finished, I want you to post a picture of it on Seesaw. So looking at number 1, we see that there's 1 chip here. And we know this is a plus sign. So we have 1 plus, and that means we're adding on, right? We're getting bigger. So 1 plus 1, and we know this is an equal sign. So this is going to tell us our total, or how many we have in all. And in 1, I think we know that 1 plus 1 equals, and we write the answer here, 2. Now I want you to do the next ones on your own. Count the counters. Use your fingers if you want. Use your number line by counting up, jumping more spaces up, because we are adding, so we will be going forward on that number line, not backwards. And then post this picture on Seesaw.